guys! So today's video, I'll be doing my kilay routine, how I do my kilay. It's not like a tutorial on how I do it. It's like the technique lang na ginamit ko kasi I'm not really good in doing my brows. But this video sana is dapat nasa everyday makeup look ko siya. But then again, sobrang haba na niya, as in like so haba. So it's so boring na din panoorin is super haba yung video, diba? So sinaparate ko na lang siya for another video para hindi sobrang haba. Please don't forget to subscribe. And yes, let's get started. My hair though, kasi I'm going out. And yes, I'm just going out somewhere. I'm gonna go sa isang party. Kaya yun. Yun is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, and the one is the Maybelline Fashion Brow. And I'm gonna start with this one. And I'm mixing the gel one and the powder one. Just go ahead and fill it in. Kasi mas matagal siya sa aking brows compared to just using gel then powder agad. Mahabang proseso. Ayan. So you're done with that eyebrow. I'm now going in with this one now. And start at the center and then fill back in. Blend niyo yung product na nilagay nyo. Set that with powder. I'm using a different brush. Brows is done! So, I'm gonna do this off-cam na lang, ha? Okay, so done with the brows. You can do more kung gusto nyo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and yes, see you guys in my next video. Bye!